Hi there, my name is Donna Toski and I'm co-founder of the Between Men and Women Couples Communication Retreats and the founder of the Spark Communication System for Couples. So you may either be a man or a woman and you're looking around for, you're wondering if there's something that can be done about your marriage or your relationship and you're sort of looking around. Here's the thing, this is what happens to people when maybe they've tried counseling or they've tried other things and it's not worked for them. They get into a state of resignation. There's a car. They get into a state of resignation and they start thinking, nothing is going to work. There's nothing that can help this situation. And I really want to speak to that. Just because you're feeling resigned or your attitude is one of resignation does not mean that that's true. Just because you think there's nothing can be done doesn't mean that there's nothing that can be done. What it means is that you don't know how. That's all it means. It doesn't mean that there's nothing that can be done. You need to get into action and you need to get yourself in front of a professional that's going to work for you. So what? Maybe you had an experience that didn't work for you. That's one experience. Don't lose hope. Don't assume that because you're feeling resigned, then that means that in fact it's true and that there is nothing that you can do. That's not true. It just means that you might have like a tube view and you're seeing one point of view that is rather hopeless. It doesn't mean that the situation is necessarily hopeless. Thanks for watching. And, if you're interested and you want to hear more about what we do, check the link below for information on our couples retreats. Thanks.